I was just getting ready to create a video addressing the whack job Texas lawsuit that asked the Supreme Court to overturn the election by disallowing votes in 4 other states, the result of which would have been Trump would remain president. Which votes? You know, the ones they don't like, the ones that Biden got. According to all legal experts I heard from during the last couple of days, this suit was anything from, in polite terms, puzzling or seemingly untenable, to a harsher statement, total seditious garbage. I opt for the latter, but in any case, the Supreme Court beat me to it and issued what amounted to a unanimous no by saying, very courteously, Texas has not demonstrated a judicially cognizable interest in the manner in which another state conducts its elections. Curiously, Alito and Thomas, 2 of the Republican judges that Trump did not appoint, expressed the opinion that the court should have at least taken up the case, which means the other 7, including the 3 Trump put on the court, didn't even want to hear about it. That ought to send the Orange Menace a clear message about how far his loyalty demands will or will not go. Of course, I could have told him myself that just because you put them there doesn't mean they're going to follow you off a cliff. After all, your term is limited, but you gave them a lifetime appointment, so... And Alito and Thomas may have said they were willing to hear it, but curiously again, they also said, even if they did, they would not be agreeing with what the lawsuit was seeking. So basically, once again, bottom line, no to Don the Con in a 9-0 decision. Although I was prepared to explain via the astrology why this was going to be the result, I think if you check my recent videos, you should be able to, at minimum, deduce, but really quite often hear me state clearly that no amount of flailing about by Donald Trump and the GOP with their lawless and completely unhinged efforts to overturn this election was going to have any effect. Astrologically, this is all headed toward a kind of crisis at the eclipse point, followed by the exit of Saturn and Jupiter out of Capricorn into Aquarius. It's a crisis because it is affecting tens of millions of people in this country that come the middle of this month and into the Christmas holidays will feel very disappointed, angry, and in some cases even combative and vengeful about the fact that their pipe dreams have been shattered. For the rest of us, it's a crisis because we are watching one of the 2 political parties descend into Alice in Wonderland malignant BS that is very damaging to democracy. But of the 2 sides in this crisis, I have to say I am very happy to be on the side of the 81+ million who voted the way I did. I'll finish by saying that today's Supreme Court ruling confirms it for me in unequivocal terms that the eclipse, followed by the Jupiter and Saturn Capricorn exit, will effectively seal the deal on the election by also effectively sending Trump home to Mar-a-Lago, which, by the way, he was probably already counting on. Or at least Melania was, since reports indicate she has been packing valuables and shipping them to Florida.